We have managed to put a, well, we've managed to score a Mark III BF front end. So it looks a little bit neater at the moment, and we're doing a full lock kit on his drift car as well. This is what it looks like stock, and this side has had the lock kit put on already. There's a fair bit more when you come have a look at it. Should be green. Yeah, should be good fun when that's all sorted. That's it for the tyre. Forgot to mention that we have also upgraded the interior to a slightly more unusual leather interior. We picked this up for $175, which was a hell of a bargain, to be honest. And so I just thought I'd show that as well. And this is what's left of the tyre. It gave its life for a good cause. So yeah, good fun.